Waalaikumsalam. Please sit down. Thank you for coming today. May I have your CV? Okay, could you introduce yourself?
Thank you. My name is Zaskia Bella Ramadhani. I am fresh graduate from the Sharia Accounting Study Program at Statement Islamic University Syekh M. Jamil Jamek Bukit Tinggi.
Great. Can you tell me more about you in educational background?
Sure. I completed my bachelor degree in Sharia Accounting, where I learned about conventional accounting principles and Islamic financial concepts such as Mudarabah, Musyarakah, Murabahah, Zakat accounting, and Sharia financial reporting standard.
What accounting skills do you have that are relevant to this position?
I am skilled in preparing financial statements, managing bookkeeping, and analyzing reports. I can use Microsoft Excel, Accurate, and basic accounting software. I also understand PSAK Syariah and Islamic Financial Complete.
I see. Do you have any experience related to the finance or Sharia accounting field?
Yes, I completed an internship at Bank Syariah Indonesia. During my internship, I assisted customer service, help review financial documents, I learned direct about the application of Sharia contract principles in banking. I also developed good communication and data processing skills while working there.
Good. What will you say are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength is that I am very detail-oriented and responsible when handling financial data. I also enjoy learning new things quickly. For my weakness, sometimes I focus too much on making everything perfect, but I am improving by setting time limit for extra.
How would you describe your personality?
I discriminate and organizing person. I enjoy working in teams, but I am also comfortable working independent. I am motivation, calm under pressure, and committed to completing tests on time.
What do you know about this position and what are your career goals?
I know this position requires accuracy, integrity, and understanding of Sharia financial principles. My career goal is to become a professional Sharia accounting who support ethical and transparent financial management in Islamic institutions.
Thank you. Do you have any closing statement?
Yes, I believe my education background in Sharia accounting and my internship experience at BSI have prepared me well for this position. I am confident that I can contribute positively to this company. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you for your time. We will contact you soon.